awkward moments.
That awkward moment
When you go to the super grocer or supermarket and you go and you have all these stuff and you put them on the till and it rings out to like 50-25 or something and you only have $50 and you have to put like something back because you don't have the 25 cents.
So awkward.
That was awkward.
The awkward moment when there's no toilet paper.
Oh, that's awkward.
That's awkward.
You're just like, oh God, how do I do this? That's awkward. That's awkward. Awkward. That awkward moment when your fly's undone.
What was
Yeah.
that awkward?
Awkward.
That was awkward. That awkward moment when you say awkward. Okay. That awkward moment. That's so awkward. That awkward moment when I forgot.
You forget.
I remembered. Oh, good one. Good one. And
That awkward moment when like you go into like a mall and
Ma.
yeah, and they think like that because like you're just like young that you don't like care and they try to scam you with like money, and then you're like you just ripped me off by like $3.
That awkward moment when you make a joke. A joke. That was weird. This is so awkward. Anyways.
And nobody laughs.
Exactly.
And then you're like ha ha ha, and they're just like
That cockroach thingy. Yeah, that was awkward.
dun dun. Oh yeah, the cricket.
Yeah, cricket.
Yeah, that's
Wait,
funny.
wait, wait, I
No,
know.
that's awkward. Like,
awkward.
and then next time you're like, oh my gosh, should I crack a joke or not?
I know.
Yeah, I know, right?
Just like a kid in our class today. He was like reading an essay and he said a joke and he was like laughing and then
No one
nobody
laughed.
That
That was
was
awkward.
I tried to laugh just to like
I know, right?
do it. Yeah.
Well,
Awkward moment
that awkward moment when
when somebody comes up to you and goes, "Hi,
somebody
Tiana." You go,
comes up to you and you're like, hey, how's it going? What's up? You know, long time no see. And you're just like, oh God, who's this person?
Hi,
like-
buddy.
Yeah, hey you.
Hey, you.
I know you. How you been doing? You. Bob.
Really?
Bob. Why don't we do B names?
Awkward.
Yeah, awkward. Leave your awkward moments below in the comments, please. And
Please.
yeah,
Yeah.
we just want to know about these things.
And then we'll meet you next time.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.